Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very attractive desk calendar for 2022. I will show you how to make the base, how to create the flowers, and you can simply slide the monthly panel like this and put it back on its place. Super easy and super attractive. And on back side of the calendar I have created the pocket to add the remaining monthly calendar panels. The back is also looking fabulous. So are you waiting to know how to create it? So I am not letting you wait more. Let's get started. First I'm taking this white sheet which measures 30 by 22 centimeters. I have just created this line in the center that is on 15 centimeters. And now from the right side I am aligning my scale on 8 centimeters and just mark on 0 and 4 centimeters. Similarly I am repeating on top. Align the scale on 8 centimeter and mark on 0 and 4 centimeters. Now from this center line align the scale on 4 centimeter and mark on 0 centimeter. Similarly repeat here. Then rotate your sheet and from left side I am marking on 4 centimeters. Similarly on right side I am marking on 4 centimeters. Now just join these markings and make one line on the 4 centimeters. You have to make the line from top marking. Similarly mark on these sides as well and create a line. And make one more line here. So it should look like this after making all the lines. Now we have to cut this vertical line using paper cutter. Like this. Similarly cut this line. Here I am making the pop-up mechanism for our calendar. And now all the rest lines which are horizontal we have to crease. So for creasing I am taking my ball tool and I am just simply creasing it. Then fold all the creased parts and make your pop-up calendar. Just burnish everything together using bone folder. And the calendar is ready. Now I am just decorating the inner part of the calendar using some pattern paper to give our sheet more strength, and also it will look nice after adding and decorating it with pattern paper. For the base, which is white cardstock, I am using 250 GSM cardstock, and the pattern paper is also having 250 GSM thickness. So this is done. Now just to cover the base I am taking here one more white sheet which measures 11 by 22 centimeters and I have just creased it on 1 centimeter, 5.5 and 10 centimeters. And after folding each crease part it should look like this, like a M shape. Now just attaching the folding panel in the bottom part of our calendar. just to close this pop-up mechanism. And this is done, and our base of the calendar is ready. Then I am just decorating my front part and back parts using some pattern paper. Like this. Then here I am taking one more white sheet for the backside pocket, which measures 26.8 by 9.6 centimeters, and from left side I have creased it on 1.2, 2.4, 24.4 and 25.6 centimeters. Now rotate your sheet, and from left side I have marked on 1.2, 7.2 and 8.4 centimeters. Now fold all the creases and burnish it using bone folder. So all the folding is done. Now just put your sheet like this, that is 1 centimeter part should be on top and 2 folded line should be in the bottom. And now I will show you how to make the box envelope. So just follow the simple steps to cut the corners and arrange your envelope. Hold it tightly for some time and box envelope is done. Now I'm just sticking the upper part for the finishing like this. And the envelope is ready. Now I'm just decorating the outer side using pattern paper. And now I'm going to stick this on the back side of our calendar. Like this. Then here I have already prepared these calendar months. Each month I have printed on 120 GSM thick paper. I have given the template in description box if you want to print it, but the size in description box is little larger, so according to your requirement you have to adjust it and then print it. Now just adding glue on back side, and this measures 12 by 10 centimeters. I'm adding one pink cardstock in the bottom which measures 13 by 10 centimeters. To change the size of the calendar I have used the Word software, and in the same way I have prepared all months calendar panels, and on back side of the each month I have added the colored cardstock. Now taking back my calendar, and here in the front exactly in the center I am adding these two triangle cutouts so that we can slide our calendar panel through this. Here I am taking the die cutout, but if you don't have this type of die cutout you can just cut one triangle shape on cardstock and paste it like this. On the one corner of the triangle I am adding double-sided foam tape to give it little dimension so that we can easily slide our panel inside this. Similarly I am sticking it in the bottom. Like this, and now you can simply slide your panel through this. Very easy. Then all the panels I am fitting inside the box envelope on back side which we have created, and in the front of this box envelope I am adding the sentiment on which it is written warmest greetings of the season and every good wish for the coming year. So I have added double-sided foam tape on back side of this, just peeling the liner and sticking in the front part. It will give very nice look to your calendar from back side as well. And then on the front side here I am adding this beautiful gate kind of thing to decorate our flower base. Here I have used heartfelt creation die to make this. Now it's time to make some flowers. So here I am taking 12 petal flower which is a die by Itsy Bitsy. All the supply links are given in description box if you want to purchase anything. To color the flower I am using Archival Ink here. If you don't have dyes and you don't have archival inks or any tool, I have given link in description box that how you can create your flower without using any tool at home easily. Now I'm just spraying little water on the flower and soaking using rough cloth. Then taking embossing pad on the base and using small size groove gold tool, I am just shaping each petal and curving it. Then rotate your flower and pinch in the center using ball tool. In the same way I have prepared some more petals already, too big and too large for one flower. So I am just layering all the petals together to construct the flower. And this is done. Now just add little glue in the center and I am pouring pink color flower pearls by Dress My Craft to enhance the beauty of the flower, and it's ready. In the same way I have prepared some small size and some large flowers and also some leaves which are pre-cut. And to create the filler flower I am just passing grey color wire pollen through this. Just add little glue and your filler flower is ready. In the same way I have prepared some more filler flowers. Now take back your calendar. So I have decorated the bottom panel already using flowers. I will show you how to decorate the top panel with the same flower arrangement. and this is done. Now I am adding one beautiful scroll cutout using silver cardstock on right side, and on this I am adding one more small flower and one bunch of leaves. You can also decorate the calendar using quilling flowers. It will also look nice. And this is done. Now to hide this center part, I am just adding one cute butterfly cutout here. It will look very nice. And now I'm just sliding my January month from this in the front part, and our beautiful calendar is ready. I'm sure you will make this calendar before the new year, and I know you love this new concept of this calendar. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. I'm waiting for your comments and suggestions. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Do share this video and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.